Welcome to today's video. We are going to explore one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Sydney Opera House. Located in the heart of Sydney, Australia, this architectural masterpiece is not only a symbol of the city, but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The story of the Sydney Opera House begins in the 1950s. In 1956, an international competition was held to design a new performing arts centre for Sydney. Out of 233 entries, the design by Danish architect Jørn Utzon was selected. Utzon's innovative design featured a series of white, sail-like shells that seemed to float above the harbour. Construction began in 1959 and took 14 years to complete, finally opening in 1973. The project faced numerous challenges, including engineering hurdles and budget overruns. The original estimate of $7 million ballooned to $102 million by the time it was finished. The Sydney Opera House is renowned for its unique and futuristic design. The roof structure, made up of 2,094 precast concrete sections, resembles a series of billowing sails or shells. These shells are covered in over 1 million glossy white and matte cream tiles, creating a stunning visual effect against the backdrop of Sydney Harbour. The building is situated on Bennelong Point, surrounded on 3 sides by the waters of the Sydney Harbour. This location not only provides breathtaking views, but also enhances the Opera House's dramatic appearance. The complex consists of multiple performance venues, including the Concert Hall, the Joan Sutherland Theatre, and the Drama Theatre, among others. Since its opening, the Sydney Opera House has become a bustling hub for the arts, hosting over 1,500 performances annually and attracting around 8 million visitors each year. It serves as a venue for opera, ballet, theatre, and concerts, playing a vital role in Australia's cultural landscape. The Opera House is more than just a performance venue. It's a symbol of Australia's modern identity. It represents the nation's creative spirit and its commitment to the arts. In 2007, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding architectural design and cultural significance. Maintaining the Sydney Opera House is an ongoing effort. Extensive conservation work ensures that this iconic structure remains in excellent condition for future generations. This includes everything from repairing tiles on the roof to updating the interior facilities to meet modern standards. The Sydney Opera House is a true architectural marvel, blending innovative design with cultural importance. It stands as a testament to the vision of Jørn Utzon and the dedication of countless individuals who brought his dream to life. Whether you visit to attend a performance or simply to admire its beauty, the Sydney Opera House continues to inspire and captivate people from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and significance of the Sydney Opera House. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories and English learning content. See you in the next video.